Most of us become very terrified from interviews, especially if it is your first job. And there are many questions will come to your mind. How good I am to apply for this job? What the questions will look like? How will be my body language and facial expressions in the interview? And so on. Or you have finished your interview. And you got rejected. But you don't know why you were rejected. No one give you any feedback about your performance. Here's the solution. Hiry is an application that helps interviewee to practice and mock interviews. It provides the complete technical interview practice you need to improve your knowledge, hone your interviewing skills, and be able to perform under pressure in a real job interview. It allows the interviewee to know his or her performance in the interview through processing his or her technical answers, voice, and facial emotions. And now, we will see the approaches used in the app. Our main modules are Face Detection Module, Facial Emotion Recognition Module, Speech-to-Text Module, Text Similarity Module, and Voice Analysis Module. First, Face Detection Module. We used a classical machine learning approach with Hawk as a feature engineering. Second, Facial Expression Recognition Module. We used a deep learning approach. We used residual model and depth-wise separable convolution. Third, Speech-to-Text Module. We used the ready-made one of Google API. Fourth, Text Similarity Module. One of the challenges of this module is the lack of data. So, we collected the data ourselves. And we use Transfer Learning by BERT Transformer. Finally, the Voice Analysis Module. We have used classical machine learning. From the audio data we have extracted 3 keys as feature engineering, namely, MFCC, MEL spectrogram and chroma. And we have used multi-layer perceptron classifier with it. And now, we will see a small demo for the interview.
Okay, hello. So this is our homepage. These are the jobs we offer. Let's choose deep learning and let's start. This instruction page you should follow. And hello. Okay, let's start.
Explain the
First
following
question.
variant of gradient descent mini-batch.
Okay, so mini-batch gradient descent is a variation of stochastic gradient descent. Instead of a single training example, mini-batch of samples is used.
Explain the layer of CNN convolution.
Okay, so a convolution is the simple application of a filter to an input that results in an activation.
Explain the layer of CNN pooling.
Okay, so pooling or downsampling layer is responsible for reducing the spatial size of the activation maps.
What is an RNN?
Okay, so RNN are deep learning neural network designed for processing structured array of data such as images.
Explain the importance of LSTM.
Okay, so I don't know what LSTM is. I think it's used in maybe in the input layer or something like that. Okay, so now I'm waiting for my report. Okay, so this is my report. This part here is responsibility of text similarity model. It shows the questions that I answered wrong. The model returns the probability of similarity between my answer and the correct answer. And if the probability of my answer is below the half, then the corresponding question with its correct answer shown in the report. This part here is responsibility of facial expression model. It shows the evaluation according to the majority label, taking into consideration the rest of labels, and give tips according to them. So I wasn't smiling enough, so it gives me a tip to smile more. When I didn't know the answer, I looked angry, so it gives me a tip to be more relaxed and practice more. This third part here is responsibility of voice analysis model. It shows the evaluation according to the majority label, which seems medium in this case, and taking into consideration the rest of labels and give tips according to them. It seemed I was a little bit calm, so it gives me advice to raise the pitch of my voice. I was speaking in a slow manner, so it gives me advice to speak in a regular speed. When I didn't know the answer, I was nervous and sad. It affected my voice modulation. And here the report gives me advice to be more confident. This part here gives me resources and courses to improve my knowledge. Regarding this chart, here we show the overall percentages over overall answers probability, facial expression, and voice modulation. It seems the all above 50%, which is okay. Thank you.